Okay.
Once you open, there's no key.
No key.
But the secret's this. Press this, press this one up, twist it, then open. Alright?
Okay.
As you can see, we're focusing on this line, huh? On the turn on and the turn off. Now it's on, the light, see, above. We're just going to turn it off. See? Look at the light.
Okay.
Turn up. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in parallel. Okay? So we're there. Now we're going to turn it on.
So, how to turn on the light?
Just like this. In a parallel line, okay?
Okay, that's it.
Horizontal line. Finish.
Okay, thank you.
Like that.
Just something like that.
You want
No, nothing, any key.
no need to touch. Only this one.
Okay, thank you. So, ayan kami.
How much?
Loading.
Like $2.
Yes.
And $1? No, of course not. $1? Yeah.
How about this with bubble, with boba and
Lang. So, pupunta na tayo sa may barko natin kasi naglo-loading. Mga pogi! So, ayan. Babalik na ako sa aking barko. And ayan, lubog. Low tide kasi ngayon. So, ito yung gangway. Ganda ilaw, no? Kita. Sabi na ba ito may iso sa kaba o what? Ganda yan. Okay yan sa kanila. Yun. Okay, ito baba. Yun. Mana ako. Ayaw, aking posting site. Lang muna and bye-bye. Ayun na, papatay niya na yung ilaw. Sinits ni Jack. Malayo-layo din ang kanyang lalakarin. Napakalakas. Tapos ka na kumain?
Ha?
Tapos ka na kumain?
Di ba? Wala na aircon.
Wala na aircon? Siya. Manual kasi yung switch nito. Kaya kailangan na yung kami. Kasi may mga tinatrabaho dito sa aming barko. So kailangan namin ng malakas na ilaw. Buti pinagbigyan kami. Pero marami naman yan eh. Ano katulad dito sa may kanan. Ano wala. Marami yan eh. Yan. Yan. Ano ba? Yan. Dami diba? Yan pa. And gawin pa doon. So maraming ilaw yan. Siguro malakas na kuryente yan. Kaya ganyan naka-manual. Pag may barko lang dito sa harap, saka lang switch, pag nangailangan ng ilaw. Katulad itong operation na ito. Ayan. So, ayan na, bumabalik na yung ating kasama. Yun lang. And thank you. At sana nagustuhan ang ating konting share video. And God bless. See you in the next one.